In this video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Booking.com's customer support quickly and easily. Whether you have questions about your reservation or need urgent help, I'll show you how to get in touch with their team. Let's get started. First, go to Booking.com and let the main page fully load. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the home page where you'll see the support section. Under that, click on Contact Customer Service to begin the support process. You'll now have two options: either sign in to your Booking.com account or choose Continue without an account by entering your booking details manually. For this tutorial, we'll go with Continue without an account. Simply type in your name, reservation number, and email, then follow the prompts to contact customer care directly. And that's how you can contact Booking.com's customer support whether you have an account or not. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!